Let's face it, we all snore, some of us a lot more than others. The worst thing about snoring, some of us have to go to the doctor to get that bulky sleep apnea machine, the CPAP. Well, there's an alternative. Try the new EMA Snore Guard. Get the EMA Snore Guard, which is much more affordable than the CPAP machine, which can cost up to $2,400. Why sleep uncomfortable with that bulky machine? Check out our website to find out how the EMA Snore Guard works. Then give us a call at 1-800-375-5801. Everyone can get a good night's sleep with the EMA Snore Guard.